Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Brown's again. Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a great Christmas and Happy New Year. So, today, we're going to do an unboxing on the Fire Angel Smoke Alarm Thermal Picture Technology ST-622 smoke alarms. Right, I already said smoke alarm, but anyways. Now this is one of my presents I got from Santa, so I'm going to unbox it now. And this is a smoke alarm twin pack with a 10-year lifetime battery, so yeah. And if you look at the back of the box, you can see all the information there. And here it tells you where you should install these alarms. So you can't install it in the loft, you can't install it in the bathroom, and you can't install it in the kitchen, and you can't install it in the garage, probably where heat detectors would go. But you can install one of these in the dining room, living room, bedroom, landing, and hallway. So yeah. And most of the time, he would put these in the hallway, I'm guessing, or landing. So now, time to open this. So first of all, so do that first. Then I can open this. Now bear in mind the reason why it's a bit wrinkled there, because I already opened this box earlier, but I just put it back in just so for unboxing. There we go. Now you can see the two smoke alarms in there. There you go. Now there they are. So I'm going to take the first one out. So there it is, as you can see. And there's the back fit. Now if I can clear off this dust out the way, I can put it there. And there's its mounting bracket. Now let's get the alarm out. There it is. There's another Fire Angel ST-622. Now, if I look in here, there's actually two user manuals for both of those, and some mounting card with swim. So now if I move this box over the way, I can show you guys these alarms here. So first of all, let's go through the instruction manual. So here it is. So it says test your alarm weekly. Now I'm guessing this is going to be in different languages. So yeah. So the contents in this is introduction, automatic, power, engaged, and sensor technology, and then there's positioning, how to install your smoke alarm, operation, alarm test, silence, low battery warning, silence, maintenance, troubleshooting, disposal, and warranty. And then there's the rest of your stuff and where you should install it and all. And there it tells you where you should, and there it tells you how far away you should mount it from the light, something like that, you know. So yeah. So if you were installing this in the attic, for example, you should have it 600 millimeters away from the top. So yeah. And there's so few other stuff as well for it. So yeah. And there's troubleshooting and maintenance. So yeah. And there's so few useful stuff that you would expect to come with a smoke alarm. So now moving over these out the way, I can give you guys a wee look at these. Now right away you can see some stuff through this. You can see the photoelectric sensor in there, and probably that where smoke can enter as well. And here says battery not replaceable, is the instruction manual. Now here's the back, where there's your mounting bracket. No, there's the back of it. And it says replaced by the end of 2031. So yeah. And the batch number is 20465. So yeah. And there's the rest of your information there. So yeah. So at the same time, this is essentially the same thing. As you can see on the back. As you see. So yeah. So now let's get these on the mounting bracket. So you just screw it on. Also, I do quite like these, and I do quite like these mounting brackets. Well, and at the same time, if you look through, you can see more of the inside. So yeah. It's a bit hard to get the camera to focus, but there you go. And you can see the float photoelectric sensor now. So yeah. And at the same time, you can see the piezo horn there as well. So now we're going to put it on the mounting bracket. So yeah. So there we go. And I'm going to do the same for the other alarm. So there we go. Now I'm going to test it now. So in 3, 2, 1. So there you go. Now I'm going to test up for alarm as well. So there you go. And so now I'm going to test both of them now. So in 3, 2, 1. So there you go. So hope you enjoyed that review. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye, and have a great Christmas.